Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Courtney with Doodle Dollars, and today we are going to be playing in my Boss Babe Box Challenge binder. So I do this every week on Saturdays to save for upcoming business expenses. We are cash stuffing $100 here today. The box challenge that I'm using comes from my friend Vicky over at Vicky Thinks. It's her Magical Savings Box Challenge. It has 11 sections. We are slowly but surely making our way through this game, and hopefully we'll be done with it before the end of this month so that all of these savings can go towards my business expenses for next month. Our goal is to save roughly around $100 a week for business expenses. We might increase that or decrease that as we need to, depending on what's going on. So I have $100 here today. Let's roll our D12 and see which challenge we're going to. Now in the past I've done, we have a $4 IOU for section 7, so let's add that first. Okay, so we're going to section 10. So in the past, I would do it as if I rolled a 12, I would skip it and roll again. But this time, since 12 and 11 are rolled so not frequently, I think I'm gonna do challenge number 11 if I roll an 11 or a 12. Okay, so section 10 is the wizard race. We are saving the actual amounts that are on the die for this one. So far, Harry is winning. I'm gonna say that I want Ron to win because he's my favorite. Okay, so we have McGonagall and Snape are joining us. I'm gonna do black for Snape, of course. And then I'm gonna do a darker green for McGonagall. Okay, so let's save, that's $10. Okay, so let's go to the next challenge, challenge number 4. So how are you guys doing on this beautiful Saturday? I hope that you guys are having a great day today. All right, this one we're gonna roll 3 times. If we roll a 1, 2, a 3, we move to the next track. We are right here. If we move a 4, 5, or 6, we move back 1 track. If we move forward, we save the $3, and if we move backward, we save $1. Okay, so we're back here. We went back again, and we went back again. Okay, so $3 being saved with this one, you guys. Oh my gosh, I feel like we're never gonna make it to the end. The dice just are not on our side right now. All right, so section number 1. This is a roll and save. So let's go ahead and roll and see what we're saving today. We have $4 here. Let me see if I can make change. Yes, I can. Perfect. Okay. Next, we are going to section number 11. Okay. This is Catch the Dementors. We're doing this as a roll and save. And we got a 2. So $2 going in here. So what are you guys up to this weekend? What do you have going on? Do you have any fun plans? Are you hanging out with anyone? I am planning on doing karaoke at my local spot here in town on Friday. It's one of my favorite activities to do on the weekends that I don't have Aria. So that is my plan for the day. Well, no, wait, what am I talking about? It's Saturday when I'm posting this, but so I will have already been to karaoke. I'm filming this on Thursday, so all right, so that's 10 for this section 9. We times 5 times 2. So yes, I will have been to karaoke last night, and hopefully it went well, and hopefully I didn't have too much confidence thinking that I could sing something that I really can't sing. All right, for section 7, we are voting for Snape. But this loser keeps winning. So we save what we roll, and if our person wins, we save an additional 8, but our person didn't win. So let's go to the next one. Okay, section 5. Okay. Let me not use black anymore. Black is boring. All right, let's use this green. 1 and 2, $8. Okay. 5, 6, 7, 8. So yes, that is one of my favorite things to do. Like I was saying, on Friday nights, is to go to the karaoke place and listen to people sing. Mostly now I just listen to people sing. I used to sing a lot more, but I don't know. Now I like to go and talk to people and listen. And but yeah, it was one of the things that I did. One of the first things that I did when I became a single mom and I was going through my divorce and all that, because I hated being alone in my house on like a Friday night. It just felt really sad. And so, yeah, so that's what I did. And that's how I met a lot of the people that now are my friends. And so that's really fun. All right, we are done with this section. So we're gonna count this up at the end and see what we saved. All right, section number 8. Ooh, this is our shut the box. So let's roll 2 die. We're trying to get rid of all of these numbers. We got an 8, so we're starting off strong, which is good. 5. Okay, hold on. Let's do 3 and 2. If y'all had to sing a karaoke song, let's do 7 and 1. What song would you sing? Like, you have to. It's not an option. You don't get a pass. You have to sing a song. What is your song of choice? 5. Okay, so that's it, guys. We are saving $13. Let me take 7 out here. No, I'm gonna take 2 out of here and grab a 5 and a 10. There we go. All right, next. We're going to, 11 again. Like I just said that we don't ever roll 11s, and here we are. We've rolled it twice already today. All right, $1. Let's see where we're going next. 11 again. $6. Okay. 5 and 6. Section number 10. Oh, yay, this race again. Okay, let's see who's going to pull ahead here. All right, we got a 5 and a 1. Harry, okay. And 5 is Dobby. Dobby, the house elf. Wait, I don't know where my purple is that I used. I'm just gonna use, no, that one's too light. Where did the purple go? All right, we'll use this one. I don't think it's the same color, but that's okay. All right, so that's $6. I need change. Okay, got a 1 here. So now we're all squared up. Okay, let's see where we're going next. Section number 8. Ooh, shut the box again. Okay, let's see what we can do this time. Okay, we got a 10. Let's do the 9 and the 1. 12. 8 and 4. 8. 6 and 2. 7. Okay. And we have a 5 and a 3. Oh, okay. So that's what we're saving, $8. All right, we only have one more to go for that one and we'll be done. That's exciting. So I've been a little over budget for this month as far as business expenses go. I'm hoping that it's just because I had a lot of upfront expenses for like my boo box that I was making. So hopefully moving forward, it won't be as bad, but we will see. Oh, of course, we are moving back one track again. Oh my gosh, we're moving forward. Okay, so we are here right now again. Let's see. And we moved back again. Wait, we were supposed to save 3, so $4. So I'm going to put this one back and save this. And there we go. We're where we need to be. And we are, wait, we are here. Yeah. Tell me why. Okay. Let's see where we're going next. Section number 10. Oh, it's the race again. The wizard race. Let's see who's going to pull ahead. Oh, Harry again. Okay, Harry's consistently moving ahead. Of course he is. And Ron. Yay, Ron. Let's go. All right, so we are saving $4 with this. So there we go. Oops. All right, section number 1. So this game is so fun, guys. This box challenge game. If you have not tried a box challenge yet, it is so fun to do. It's a fun way to save. And go check this one out by Vicky Thinks. It's particularly enjoyable because it's a fun theme. So if you like Harry Potter, then you most likely will like this challenge. All right, challenge number 9, and this is probably going to be our last one. So we're going to do this little guy. 5 + 1 is 6. Look, y'all. Can y'all believe this? We have $6 exactly here. Didn't that work out so perfectly? I feel like that always happens. How does that always happen? It's crazy. All right, so cool. We don't have any IOUs this time. Let's go through and see what we are saving for each section. All right, we're adding 11 to section 1. So in section 1, we have 5, 10, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. Section 2 didn't get anything. Section 3 didn't get anything. Section 4 got a lot, but we didn't make any progress. Okay, so for section 4, we have 5, 10, 15, 16, 17, 5, 10, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, and 20. I'm not sure what I'm gonna do if I'm not done with this challenge before the end of the month, so we'll have to figure that out, but that is a problem for future me. All right, for section 5, we got 5, 6, 7, and 8. For section 5, we got 5, 10, 11, 12, 13, and 14 total. All right, we didn't hit section 6 today. We finished section 7. So for section 7, we have 5, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, and 16. And I'm gonna go ahead and put this in the front here. We'll put it like this. Then for section 8, we added a lot. We added 10, 15, 20, 1, 2, and 3. And so in this section altogether, we have 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, 65. Oh my goodness. That's great. That's going to save us a lot. Okay, for section 9, today we got 16, and we are very close to finishing this one. So for section 9, we have 10, 15, 20, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, $28. For the wizard race, we are adding 20 to this one. So this one is also going to save us a lot, unless Harry wins here in a couple rounds. So altogether we have 10, 15, 20, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 1, 2, and 3. And then for our catch-all here, well, it's not really a catch-all. We're playing it as a roll and save. We got 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 in this one. And in total, for section 11, we have 5, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, and 15. All right, so that is it for this video, you guys. I hope y'all have a great rest of your Saturday and a happy weekend. And I will see you guys tomorrow for Sunday Games and Collabs Day. Until then, happy savings. Bye.